Guys, I'm here at Johnburg, so let's go.
Dito pala sa kabila eh.
This is my We are here at Jollyland. This is a newly opened amusement park in Robinson's Las Piñas. This is the cheapest amusement center I have ever seen. I will show the prices on the screen right now.
Jollyland, Robinson's Las Piñas, 200 PAP in 1 hour, 300 2 hours, 400 3 hours. All prices includes 1 kid and 1 adult.
This is my brother. I love him very, very much. He is amazing and cute. My favorite is the trampoline and pebbles. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Keep on watching, guys. I hope you enjoy.
Talong nga bili.
Sabi ni Jay, sabi.
Oh, galing niya ate ah. Good job! Kasabay talon! Talon na! Ayan, malambot yan na. Sige.
Friendly reminder to please watch your children closely while playing pizza. Play safe, be safe from Jollyland Fun.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. I found the double.
Sayo pang baby. Maganda nag-iingit. Marunong na siya mag-display.
Good job!
Madilim dito tapos merong ilaw, no? Huwag mong kalagkaraya mo siya mag-isa siya eh. Matatakot siya eh. Para makahawak yung isang kamay niya.
Meeting doll. Kaya kaya ako niyan, pa? Hello, Gretchen. Oh! Anong kalpo?
Daddy, what's going on? Daddy, what's going on? Dad,
Patakot ko.
Daddy, what's going on?
Tatamaan si Kalboy.
Daddy, ako naman, Dad.
Oh, yan, sabi siya tatamaan eh. Takot na takot na yung isa ngayon, no? Hindi na makaalis.
Daddy, what's going on?
A friendly reminder to everyone, please be aware of
Dad, magpupay po siya.
charges and
Ah!
maaari kong pakityan ang inyong exit time.
Dapat may ball, baby.
Please do not avoid your own practice of most wallets and Paalala na lagi po bantayan ang inyong gamit sa public wallets, bags, cellphone at wallet ay maaari ilagay sa safety locker. Makipag-ugnayan na lamang po sa counter area. Maraming salamat po.
Nahuhulog naman. Palyado, nahuhulog.
Maraming salamat po. Please do not leave your valuable things like bags, cell phones, wallets, and internet. Please use safety lockers.
Breaking ball.
Isang paalala na lagi kong bantayan ang inyong gamit sa
Good job, Principal! Ang galing ah!
Ano na? Yun over.
hagis mo, oh.
Projector yan. Ang balik niya yung mga son. Ba't tumama?
Oh, focus ko! Put it here, baby. Can we put that here? Look. Ayan.
Kasabay ako ng kanta.
Sige, go ate.
Dad, stand up mo siya tsaka maglakad siya.
Sige, sige.
Jump, Frenchie! Jump!
I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.